Hello, everyone. My name is Ashton Morgan. I'm a licensed clinical marriage and family therapist, and I want to welcome you to part 2 on my series on sex. So, as always, get a pencil, a pen, and a piece of paper. Take down plenty of notes because I'm going to give you a lot of information today. So, here we go. Okay, everyone. So, we're going to start off today by talking about something that's kind of important when you think about sex. Many of us have had multiple sexual partners. Many of us, when we do pick up a new sexual partner, the one thing we do is we compare. We not only compare to the last sexual partner we had, but we always invariably compare to the best sexual partner we had. Not a good thing to do at all. Instead of you comparing, because no one ever wants to be compared. That sucks. No one likes to do that. However, instead of you just comparing, what I want you to do is pay more attention to creating. So what I'm talking about is you spending the time, instead of saying this is something that this individual doesn't do, that I like for them to do. Like, for example, you may say to yourself, well, my new partner, if you're a female, you would say my new partner does poorly when it comes to blowing my back out. However, I remember way back when my old partner did an excellent job at that. Or my new partner is horrible in helping me have an orgasm. But I remember way back when my old partner did an excellent job at that. Instead of doing that, you can create new memories. You can create new sexual experiences. And the way you do that is just create them. So you spend more time with your new partner teaching, educating, letting them know what you like, how you like it, what's important to you, what you'd like to do, where you like to have sex. In addition to that, you want to ask them the same questions. What excites them? What are they interested in? Right? So instead of comparing, create new memories, create new thoughts, create new experiences with the person that you're with. The other thing I want you to think about is that when you're in a relationship, sex hopefully is great for you. If not, you're paying attention to some of the things that I'm talking to you about and you're working on improving it for you and your partner. But your relationship is not just about sex. Remember, I said in part 1 that when you think about sex or intimacy, however you want to call it, when you're thinking about it, it's not just about sort of the intercourse. It's about what happens before intercourse and what happens after intercourse, right? So I want you to pay more attention to those things, because those are the things that's going to help determine whether or not you have a good sexual experience with your partner, right? So make new memories by exploring your cars, the back seats of your cars, exploring different areas in your home. If you're older and you're approaching the empty nest phase, your children may be gone or not home as much, use other areas of your home, right? Find other areas outside of the home that you like, that you want to explore with your partner. All right, don't be afraid to sort of explore those things and do some of those things that you wouldn't traditionally do. The goal here is for you to make new sexual memories, have new sexual experiences with your partner. Okay, so the second thing I want to talk to you about is for you to be, as what I call, an explorer, right? Find out not just about your partner, but about yourself. What you like, what you don't like, what you're into, what you like to try, what you have always been interested in, but never have pursued it. Sometimes, we get, stuck in one way of having sex or one way of enjoying ourselves with our partner. So what I'm doing is I'm sort of challenging you to explore yourself so that you know how to give your partner feedback, so you know what to ask for from your partner. That's you exploring yourself. In that process, you'll also have an opportunity to learn more about your partner. So you're communicating to them what you like, what you'd like to try, what's always been interesting to you, and you're also hearing from your partner the same answers, what they want, what they're interested in, what they'd like to try, right? For some of us who are more advanced in the area of sex, we'll do some things that some people may consider to be extreme, but some people not. But we'll become members of the lifestyle. If you don't know what that is, I suggest you do a Google search for that. Or we'll attend a swingers club, or we'll join a group or an organization in which they all explore sex differently. So those are some of the things that I want you sort of to think about. It may not be that extreme for you. You may do something a bit more subdued than that. It may be for you that you may decide that you're going to, introduce food, not just sex toys or vibrators, but you may decide, hey, it's a big thing for us if we have sex outside of the bedroom. I don't know. But what I'm doing here is just challenging you to explore what you think you'd be interested in, what you like to do, what you like to seek, to enjoy yourself and enjoy your partner. The other thing I wanted to discuss with you guys today is for you to sort of know what your limitations are. So I want you to be sort of in tune with the time and energy that you can place into exploring and being sexual with your partner. One of the questions I get most often than not from couples is a question around, not just quality, but the quantity, the number of times we should be having sex. Should we be having sex 3, 4, 5 times a week? Should it be more than that? Should it be less than that? My answer is always the same. You have sex the number of times you think you need to have sex, whatever that may be. The goal here is that you enjoy one another. Be it once a week, be it once a month, be it once every 6 months, be it a couple of times a year, it doesn't matter. The object here is for you to really enjoy your partner. Explore them, understand them, get to know them as many times as you may. So, until next time, please just remember, hit the subscribe button below and get ready for part number 3. And I'll see you guys soon.